Welcome back. Let's start another very important concept. It's known as residual analysis. First of all, let us define what is residual. The residual in a very simple term is the difference between actual minus predicted. So basically it is the leftover after the prediction one. So this residual help us to understand how good the regression model we have. If not good, then where is the problem? And once we identify the problem, we can definitely work towards the solution for that. So there are a couple of the techniques through which you can understand or you can verify how good your model is, or basically you can do the residual analysis. One of this first is no correlation. What it means that there should not be any correlation of the residual, autocorrelation. So what it means that if you see this, the way these residuals are here in the blue point, there should not be any visible pattern. It should be very much random. It should be random. This is what it means. There should not be correlation between them at all. And there is a statistics test also, that test whether there is a correlation or not. So it is called Darwin-Watson, also known as DW statistics. Generally around 2 is the very good number, but if it is near to 0, it means there is a positive correlation, and if it is greater than 3, basically around 4, then negative correlation. And there are a standard way to remove the positive and negative correlations that we'll discuss in the future chapters. The second one is that no heteroscedasticity. What is the meaning of this? This is also known as homoscedasticity. It means the variance should be the constant. What is the meaning of variance? If you see that all the blue points above the red line and below, almost it should be randomly distributed on the both sides. That is what the variance should be constant. The third important part is the normal QQ plot. Normal QQ plot is the basically QQ plot. It is again a plot from the statistics which plots between the theoretical quantiles versus the residual quantiles. And ideally all these points which you see, it should come on this red line, and red line should be a diagonal. So the more number of points are there on the red line, the more normality it is. The more normal it means it is a very good residual analysis. But if practically you may not find, so if you see that over here, few of the points are definitely away from the red line. So ideally it looks like that these are either outliers or probable outliers. In both cases, in upper case and even in the bottom case, that there are some of the outliers from which this residual have been plotted. So this and another point, normal QQ plot is also used for identifying whether your data is normal or not. So this is the concept coming from statistics, and so now that's all for concept from the regression point of view. Let us do the hands-on, and I will explain you during the hands-on what all further things required for the regression, and this will help you to become the data scientist so that you can start working in the regression project from the day one. Thank you for watching this video. Now see you in the next video.